Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel, and I'm from Genpire. I'm one of the co-creators of this platform. And today we're going to introduce to you the core feature of Genpire that allows anyone, a creator, a brand, a designer, a maker, just an average person who has an idea for a product that he wants to get to real life, to generate it from a prompt or from his own design. So basically, after you sign up at Genpire and purchase your plan, you basically have two options to launch new products. So the first option is the most common one by uploading your prompt. You can describe your product idea. You can enhance it by improving the prompt with our prompt enhancer, and you can refine it with some selectors and your logo, your brand guidelines, whatever you think would be making the product that you think of in the best way possible. The other option, which is more for designers or for people who already have in mind how their product should look like, they basically enter the upload design option. They drag and drop or just select their designs, their files, supporting PNG, JPG, and JPEGs. Basically, attach it to the prompt. You can enhance it with some description and as well upload your own logo. Once you generate it, for example, if I'm talking about generating a minimalistic or a minimalistic leather strap tote bag with magnetic buttons. What happened is that the platform will generate it, and after 1 or 2 minutes, it will come up here. You're going to see your tote bag that you asked for Genpire basically to generate. After you generate it, you're going to enter the editor. The editor shows you three views of your product: the front view, the back view, and the side view. You can edit it anytime using our AI Power Edit and our editor. Then you can ask our editor as well with our AI to basically edit specific sections in the production guideline page. We have the product overview, the price that we believe would be a good price for consumers, the materials used, the dimensions of the bag, the construction details, the hardware components, the color palette, the size range, the packaging, the care instruction, the quality standards, and the production notes. All of those are part of what we call the production guideline of your product. So if, for example, I want to make the size range different, I can ask it, make a more versatile size range. So once I'm doing that, what's happening is that I can refine it. It will edit the actual component. As you can see here, it marks what is going to be added, and you can see more size ranges are available, which is pretty great. So once you finish that, you can continue to the next step. The next step basically it's to produce technical files out of the production guidelines. So you have your product images visualized from all angles. You have the production guidelines that will give you a sense of how much will it cost you to develop a sample for your product, how much it will cost you to order 1,000 units of your product, and give you some useful and insightful tips on the production process. Generating the tech files results of 12 credits. So once I'm going to decide to generate the tech packs, the tech files, you can see them here, which are basically scalable vector illustrations, technical file sketches, callouts, all of the relevant files that are needed. You can gather all of these assets and instructions as a PDF, as an Excel to collaborate with your colleagues if you're working together in some designs or collection. And this basically covers the idea to production phase in the product creation phase, which is a core phase for anyone who thinks to go to production and to communicate or interact with the manufacturer that will turn their product into an actual physical product. So we gave you a very simple example of designing or creating a tote bag, but our AI works on almost any category. You can generate products in the fields of fashion, footwear, accessories, jewelries, home goods, furnitures, gadgets, toys, whatever you can think of. And as well, the production guidelines and the tech files will take in consideration the category, because not all category has the same requirements when it comes to the actual manufacturer that you're going to work with. So this is the basic and first feature you got to learn in order for you to use genpire.com. So feel free to ask any questions. We're available through our social pages in our Instagram, LinkedIn, and X, Twitter, as it once was, and through our email support@genpire.com. Just talk to us and we'll be able and happy to help. And in the next videos, we're going to show you some additional features. As you may know, Genpire is just beginning. We have some pretty awesome features coming down the road, such as incorporating your brand DNA in the AI generation, as well as launching capsule collections in one click, not just single items, and more editing and powerful AI tools that will assist you to go to production even faster. And putting that aside, we're also building pretty big chain of vetted manufacturers who will be ready to quote you for any of your products and take you hand by hand to production in the fastest way possible that ever exists. Faster than any other platform or solution that you will find, even our competitors, which are not many, but there are some pretty good solutions out there that we are aimed to offer just a better tool and platform for you to enjoy. If you have any feedback, shoot us a message. We're happy to answer and to collaborate. Thank you very much.